Okay, good morning. We're back. We got the wife, we got the daughter, and we got the Fireball Ford. We are going to go ahead and do an oil change. Had to call around. Apparently, people don't know what a 9N tractor is, so you got to get the crayons out and tell them that it's a tractor. It's Ford. It doesn't take a regular oil filter. It takes one of these guys. So we got a Wix because it's the only one in our whole town. So, yeah. And then we got some 15W40. I've been juicing up the rear end. It was a little low, about 4.5 quarts. And it's still on the lower side, so that's good. Taken care of. Wife's going to start changing the oil filter.
Yeah, hopefully we didn't get water in that.
I'm going to start draining the oil. And here we go. I wonder how nasty this is going to look.
This is where the oil filter is on this thing. It's an old style. I'm just using my adjustable wrench. I already loosened it up. But
oh, this is like not even possible to not get your hands dirty.
I know.
Oh my God. Oh God. Well, that is some scrumptious.
Don't worry about the other
that's
stuff.
That's not from this. This is from this.
Might be getting a flush from the looks of it.
Whew. Oh. Does this come all the way out? Don't know. Oh.
Dare you to taste it.
I'm good. Probably tastes like neglect and regret. 42 years worth.
I'm just glad it runs. No, okay, there's any water in it, so that's good. I was worried about that, because, I mean, it did set open for God knows how long with that guy's backyard, no lid on it, and carburetor, and...
Jiminy Christmas, how long is this lid? Oh my God. Oh! That's fine. It's right where I wanted it to go. Oh, it's like a... Oh, it's a filter screen. Oh my God, that's disgusting.
We should have got some brake clean, huh?
Oh, that's the pickup screen. That's kind of clever. So when you change the oil, you clean out your screen. It's kind of clever. Okay, I'm going to go look for some brake clean.
That looks lovely.
Alright, let's get some... How am I supposed to prime it?
I think you're supposed to pull the filter out a little bit and put some in the bottom. But... You mean down the center of the hole?
I'm not that skilled.
Let's twist it.
I think we're going to spill more than we're going to help. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it's popping the seal out. Thank goodness it actually has a fill port and not just a dipstick. Putting 4 quarts of differential oil through that little dipstick in the back was not
fun?
Not fun.
What'd you find?
That'll work. I don't know why it got so muddy. Tyler must have been bahan with it.
Okay.
Check the diff oil again. Oh, look at that. We are actually within an operatable range.
Good.
So maybe it won't sound like wow, 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 wow.
Thank you.
I also tightened up that bolt in that joint. That might help seal that up. So we might actually have a tractor that doesn't leak every time the tire goes flat.
I see you already filled it up today. Hey, where you going? Okay, so it does go. Check the antifreeze in this.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it looks good. Not a pressurized system, so that's kind of nice.
After we could drive it down to the car wash.
I don't know if the car wash going to do anything. It might. I don't know.
Get all this flaky stuff off. Maybe it'll come back looking like an nice tractor. I was thinking about finding 2 or 3 more of them and doing tractor races. But right now, this thing's not going into 3rd gear, so we ain't going to win no races in 2nd.
Cut it back up so I can see you in the tractor.
Some high performance racing oil for Apocalypse. Now that means 15W40. Shower color shirt.
It's definitely coming out slow.
Anybody want some pancakes? Maybe some waffles? I'll bring the syrup.
The next oil change is probably still going to be black, getting all that residue out of there. And hopefully we can start clearing it up.
As long as we stay on the current schedule, next oil change will be in about 40 years. I'll wipe that off.
The 2 quarts, or you still got to put more
2
in?
quarts.
You're getting that shit everywhere.
It's fine. It's oil. Danger!
Looks good. I would say the exhaust is going to get hot, but there is no exhaust.
It's over there. Come down. I want to get the... Prime it up a little bit. Can't turn the fuel on. Oh man, I only got 80 pounds of oil pressure.
Okay.
2 turns.
Oh, well, I went more than that. Hang on.
2 full turns.
Okay. Because I didn't read it. Where you at? 1, 2.
Not getting any oil pressure yet.
No?
Back to 100
gotten dry cracked at all.
No, it's fine.
It's mint.
I think about 5 gallons of slime and it'll bring it right back around.
Look at all the welding holes. What do you think?
Sounds happier this morning. That's not nasty black stuff. I might be able to chew on that. Got her all greased up. Add some good oil, change the oil. Yeah.
Try to idle it up. Stay here, baby. Ellie, stay here. Stay here. Ellie, stay here, baby. Say, come here, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Stay here. Way. How'd it go?
Well, the high gear kind of sounds like I was good. Check on the neighbors real quick. Here we go.
Made it past the mailbox. He's just aerating the ground, that's all he's doing. I don't know how he's not falling off that thing with that metal seat. She's a chewing. Chew, 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 chew. He's gonna get, nope, he got it.
she does trailer bar or tractor donuts.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay, go put it back. That had to have been uncomfortable.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would say that this thing is successfully revived. We do need to work on getting an exhaust for it eventually. I think we're just going to bring it down and we're going to pipe up here and have a plop, 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 plop. Other than that, she runs good. I mean, look. Make sure it's in neutral. Neutral. Little choke. We even did some yard work with it, kind of modified these forks here. They used to have some things down. Now I can throw things like a pallet on here and move some tires around. I'm going to go ahead and check mark this one as done. We have done maintenance. She's good to go for another 45 more years before we got to do an oil change. Not really. But that's going to be all for now. Stay tuned. I have another project that we just rolled into the shop that is going to take us a lot of work, which is going to lead to the next project we do, which will lead to our next project. So this is going to kind of snowball. So stay tuned. We have more coming. Thanks for watching.